Oh no, she didn't. Oh no, she didn't. But she was with it. She said she ain't had no nigga. No, if that's your lady, tell me why she say I'm just her type. Oh, that's your girl. If that's your lady, tell me why she.
Pause. I'm about to show you guys how to get gorgeous faux locks, but the process won't be cute. Rewind the tape. Keep going. Almost there, and stop. Don't come hard for me in the comments, because this is what true beauty looks like before the glitz and the glam. Alright, let's continue.
I was checking this girl next door when my parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around.
I already washed and conditioned my hair. I'm lightly detangling it right now. And here are some of the products you're gonna need.
So I went in and I sat down, started kissing, caressing, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in.
I started by parting my hair into squares or boxes. You can do whatever shape you want, but that's what I found to be easiest. And the way I part is I take a mirror and I look behind myself into another huge mirror, but for the sake of this video I didn't have a mirror, but I have very good spatial recognition because I've done my hair multiple times, so I kind of know what it feels like to make a decent part in the back of my head without looking at it. But do what's comfortable for you. Then you just want to put edge control on each section that you have parted. Now you have two ways of doing this. You can either braid that section all the way to the end, or you can braid the root and then switch to twisting. Either one works. For this video I twisted. The first time around I braided it and it still stays secure, but with twisting it just cuts down the time in half basically. So this section of my hair is now parted and twisted. I'm going to take the first faux lock, and there's a loop on the end of it, which is the beginning. Sometimes it's hard to find, but once you find it, you got to open it. Slide the crochet hook through the root of the parted section, make sure it's open, and then take the looped faux lock, put it onto the crochet hook, close it back, pull it through, open it again, and open the loop. Slide the other half of the crochet lock through that loop and then tighten it at the end. I did the same thing to the other side of my head, and now what you want to do is twist the faux lock onto your actual hair. So since they're pre-dreaded, you want to twist the faux lock around your own hair, and it'll start to unravel a bit because you're going to twist it in the opposite direction. Wrap it around and then twist it back, if that makes sense. Twisting the faux lock in the opposite direction that it was originally twisted will make sure that it has an opening for your hair to be wrapped inside of, and once it closes back it seals it in. Give it a slight tug at the end just to secure it, and that's it. And this is what they look like when you're all done. For the finishing touches, we're going to be adding some jewelry, and you can just get these hair accessories from your local beauty supply. I put on these cute little feathers and both silver and gold rhinestone-studded hair cuffs. This is optional. I'm just putting jojoba oil over my fingers and rubbing it through my scalp. I suggest doing this if you are trying to grow your hair while using a protective style because this oil really helps. By the way, it's so much more fun when you do your hair to your favorite songs. So if you guys want to hear my playlist, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with everyone you know, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all my social media, Snapchat, and all that. So, from yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.